Welcome to Kidani Village, one of two resorts making up Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. The resort is thoughtfully inspired by African culture, customs, and traditions, such as food, art, decor, and architecture. Our video takes you on a tour of a Deluxe Studio Savanna View room and other areas of the resort. The room is spacious and comfortable. Sleeping accommodations in the room include a queen bed and a pull-out sleeper couch. The armoire and chest of drawers provide plenty of storage for your luggage and all your souvenirs. The kitchenette includes a microwave, toaster, sink, and a mini refrigerator. Along with the coffee maker, the hospitality tray is stocked with Joffrey's coffee, a Disney fan's favorite. The bathroom is comfortable and laid out with a separate toilet area, so getting ready for rope drop is easy for everyone. The room has a small yet comfortable seating area both inside and on the balcony. The most unique attraction to the room is the Pembe and Sunset Savannah room view. Later in this video, we will show you some of the animals we saw during our stay. The resort lobby is filled with warm, wonderful natural light that reflects off the glass chandeliers like fire and colorful flower petals. The displays of art reveal the richness and depth of African culture. Just off the lobby, you can visit the cozy store, well stocked with a nice selection of snacks and other merchandise such as pins, spirit jerseys, Dooney and Burke handbags, and other Disney keepsakes. Like most resorts, the hotel does have a gym, so you'll never have to miss a workout. If you feel like visiting an arcade, you'll find one with a large selection of games, including my personal favorite, air hockey. And should you become sentimental about running a load of laundry? Rest easy. There's a laundry facility next to the arcade. For the family poolies, the pool area awaits you. Stroll down to the splash pad area with the little ones, or spend time at the large pool that is carefully supervised by friendly lifeguards. You're not without choices. During the day, pool activities run by cast members keep the family fun going. On the other hand, if relaxing is more your style, head to the hot tubs and don't avoid the poolside bar and restaurant. No matter where you decide to lay your towel, the servers will check on you frequently, making sure your lava colada never runs dry. Sana, the resort restaurant, serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you can't get a reservation, don't worry. You can always mobile order and have dinner out on your balcony. As I mentioned earlier, the most unique attraction to the rooms at the Kidani is the Savannah room view. During our stay, we watched giraffes almost every morning from our balcony. We also saw Anacoli cattle, African crown cranes, gazelles, impalas, storks, and water bucks, all still in our pajamas, enjoying our coffee, tea, and Gideon cookies. If you reserve a standard room, you will find several animal viewing areas around the resort. Many of those are staffed by knowledgeable cast members, always ready to answer any questions you may have about the animals. Just don't forget to ask them. Otherwise, they will respect your time to enjoy whatever you see without interruption. It's also important to know that each savanna has different animals, so be sure to take time to wander and discover. One important thing to keep in mind is that the Kidani Resort is pretty far away from other resort hotels, as well as other shopping areas and dining areas. For example, a visit to Disney Springs is about a 30-minute drive. However, the Disney bus system makes those trips very convenient, and it's both free and regularly scheduled. I hope you enjoyed our tour, and please leave a comment if you stayed at the resort or if you have an upcoming stay. I also recommend the Disney Plus show, The Magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom. While much of the show focuses on the theme park, you also get to see the animals on the resort's savannas. Please subscribe to our channel for other travel-related content. We very much appreciate our subscribers.